Hi, good afternoon. Today we will see about the digestive system of human. We know that digestive system of human undergoes a type of nutrition called as holozoic nutrition, which means taking the whole organic food material, absorbing that and digesting that. Now let us see the important parts of the digestive system in human. First, the digestion always starts from the mouth. The mouth contains an important gland called as salivary glands. So these salivary glands being exothermic in secretion, they have ducts, and these salivary glands secrete an important enzyme called as amylase. Amylase converts starch to maltose. Starch is a polysaccharide, maltose is a disaccharide. Now saliva and food mix together in the mouth, forming a material called as bolus. This bolus is important for increasing the surface area for the food to be digested in the mouth. So in the mouth, both physical as well as chemical digestion happens. Physical digestion with the help of tongue as well as teeth, whereas chemical digestion with the help of the amylase, which is secreted by the saliva. Then moving on, we have a very long tube which is called as esophagus. Esophagus undergoes a reaction called as peristalsis, which is alternate contraction and relaxation of the smooth muscles in the esophagus. So this contraction and relaxation is very important for pushing the food down. As soon as the food enters the stomach, there are some gastric juices present in the stomach. They are HCl, which prevent the microbe entry as well as it activates the inactive pepsinogen to pepsin. Pepsin is an important enzyme for the conversion of protein into amino acid in the stomach. Since HCl has a very low pH of 2, pepsin also has a pH of 2. So pepsin is active at a very low pH of 2. Its optimum pH is 2. Now this pepsin or HCl activity should not erode the walls of the stomach. So there is another important secretion called as mucus, which is produced in the stomach to protect the wall of the stomach from the harsh action of the HCl. Now moving on, we have a liver, the second largest organ in the body. So this liver do multiple roles in the body, and one of the important role in digestion is it helps in the secretion of the bile. Bile helps in emulsification. Please note, emulsification is the breakdown of the larger fat molecule into small globules, so that this increase in surface area can provide an important opportunity for the lipase to easily digest the fat molecules. Then very close to the liver, there is an important organ called as gallbladder. This is otherwise called as the storehouse of the bile. Now, there is also another important organ called as pancreas, a leaf-like organ very close to the stomach. This secretes many important digestive juices for the digestion of different nutrients in the body. The first part of the small intestine is called as duodenum. This is the place where the food is neutralized by the bile. Because the food in the stomach is highly acidic, so called the chyme. Now this chyme, as soon as it enters the duodenum, the wall of the small intestine should not get damaged. In order to prevent that, bile is secreted into the duodenum as soon as the chyme enters the duodenum. In the small intestine, there are so many microvilli which is present for increasing the surface area for absorption. We will also see about this microvilli in the next video. There is a large intestine which is present next to the small intestine. This large intestine is essential for carrying or passing through the undigested food as well as for absorbing the excess of water which is present in the undigested food. The rectum is the place where the undigested food is stored. As soon as the rectum is filled, the anus helps in digestion of the undigested food. Thank you all of you.